Hello everybody. This is the example of small conversation in office between colleagues. Do you have a lot of work? Yeah. I'm pretty busy. Why? Oh. I needed some help on documenting this process. Does this have to be done right now? The manager wants it by Friday. I'll try to free up my schedule. Remind me again tomorrow morning, and I'll help you in the afternoon. Do you need to read the documents first? Yeah, that would help. I'll print you a copy and then drop them off. Make sure you drop it off before 5 because I have to leave early. No problem. Thanks. If you feel it's useful, please like and share. See you soon.